I'm gonna tell you, my house is slowly getting organized on a budget thanks to the Dollar Tree. Welcome back, and hi if you're new here. My name is Trina. It is so nice to meet you. And if you are a fellow mom also trying to survive, make sure you click subscribe to this channel as I try to figure out the best ways to hack simplifying motherhood so we can enjoy life as a mom again. Many of you may have seen my most recent Dollar Tree haul. That was the first one that I've ever done, and so many of you enjoyed it that I decided to head out to the Dollar Tree again and see if I could find any other sweet deals to start organizing my house. With the new year, so many of us have goals and ambitions and resolutions to get organized. I do as well. And I honestly didn't think I'd be able to do it this cheaply until I started showing up at the dollar store. So let's dig into the things I bought, and I can show you some of the things that I'm already using. The first things that I found were, I think these are for the refrigerator. So there's a short one and there's a longer one. I'm planning to potentially use this for cans. We don't use a lot of cans in our refrigerators. We don't drink a whole lot of soda. I try to avoid soda, but there might be something I can put in here to organize the refrigerator just a little bit better. So I'm gonna mess around with the refrigerator and let you know. Also, I got this specifically for yogurt because my kids eat a lot of yogurt, and I can just stick them in here. It's gonna be easy for them to pull out and grab and go, so that I'm not having to constantly run to the refrigerator and get out the yogurt out of the box. The next thing that I grabbed was just a regular old spice rack, but I'm thinking about using this to stack canned goods in our pantry. So we eat a lot of beans, and the kids eat a lot of canned fruit like mandarin oranges, and my husband loves pineapple. So when we go grocery shopping, we end up getting a lot of cans and we never really see what we have. So I'm gonna test that out. Otherwise, I will use it as a spice rack because all of our spices fill up an entire length of a cabinet, and I would like to save some of that room. I decided to buy 2 of these. They look like baskets, and they're kind of a goldish copper color. So I got 2 of them. I wasn't sure what I was gonna use with these till I brought them home. And I realized I was gonna use them in my pantry to put onions, because I don't really have a spot for onions right now, and potatoes. Yeah, these are perfect for those like dirty vegetables that you need to put somewhere. These look great in my pantry, and they work perfect for onions and potatoes. I also found these black plastic baskets and thought they would be great for the kids' room. And so they have all these little like trains and Hot Wheels cars, and so I figured this would be a great place as like a catch-all item, or for in our master bathroom with some of my hair products and makeup products. I thought that would be great in there as well, to just kind of throw things in there to get them out of sight so it still looks organized. And if you watched my last Dollar Tree haul, you'll know that I bought these. I used them in the video also, the organize my desk, and these worked great, and I ended up using more of these in my desk than I thought. So I got a couple of these to use in my bathroom to organize like ponytails, bobby pins, and some makeup. And so I'm really excited to get to work with these as well. I want to hear from you. Are there any Dollar Tree items that I'm missing that I need to go check out? Let me know down below. And if you want to watch my first Dollar Tree haul, click that video that's on your screen right now. And if you want to see how I organize my desk, it's over there as well. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in that next video. Bye.